easy to purchase or renew a smart season ticket. You can do so at a time that suits you, online or on the Northern app. With your smart card in hand, visit northernrailway.co.uk/smart. The Season Ticket Journey Planner will help to find the best ticket for your commute. Once you've chosen your season ticket, you'll be presented with two options for obtaining it: on a paper ticket via the post, or on your smart card. Download the Android version of the app on your phone or tablet. Then click on the Smart Card NFC Reader button. Now hold your smart card against the back of your handset, and hey presto, your ticket will now be loaded to your card. You can use this same technique to check the expiry date of your smart season ticket. This same functionality will soon be coming to iOS on Apple phones.